Student, let us see the next problem of practice set 12. That is question number 6 I am going to take now. So we know that what is the prime number? 2, 3, 5, 7, right? So see here, backside 2 is there, so it will not go in the table of 2, right? So we will see the table of 3. So just divide it. 3 3s are 9. So 3 5s are 15. Okay, now 5 is their backside, so of course it will go directly on the table of 5 only. 5 sevens are 35. Here 7 ones are 7. Over. Now see, again start. 2 sevens are 14. 2 sevens are 14. So directly it will go on the prime number 7. 7 11s are 77. 11 ones are. Since 11 is a perfect prime number, so it will divisible by 11 only. So write the factors of 1 not 5. What are 3, 5 and 7? So 3, 5 and 7. And what is the factor of 154? 2, 7, 11. Okay. Now what you have to take out? The SCF. Therefore SCF means what you have to find? SCF means common factor. Whatever the factors we take out from both the number, we have to take out the common factor, right? Okay. So common factor is only 7. So you have to write here SCF is 7, right student? Now next is see, same whatever 3 numbers are given, same vertical arrangement we will do. By vertical arrangement we can find all the factors, okay, of the given number. 57, so of course it will go on the table of 7 is there, so 3. Start from 3, not from 2. 3 ones are 3. 3, how much? 27. 3 nines are 27. So 19 is a perfect square. So here also you have to divide 19 ones are, right student? 75, again you see 75, 5 is there, so maybe it will go on the table of 3 or 5, we will see. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. So how much? 3 25s are, right student? So 25 is there, so what you have to do? Directly you see the table of 5 only. 5 5s are 25, right? So 5 ones are. Hope you are understanding what I am doing here. So here 2, so 2 5s are 10, 2 ones are, okay. Then 1 is there, so of course in the table of 7 or 3 है ना, बैक साइड जो डिजिट है वो 1 है, तो 3 7s are 21 और 7 3s are 21. बैक साइड 1 is coming, so 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are, so 17 is a perfect square. So take out 17 ones are 17. Over. All the factors we take out. So right now factors of 57, what are they? 3 into 19. What are the factors of 75? 3 into 5 into 5. And what about the factors of 102? That is 3 into 2 into 3 into 17. Okay. Now if you want to find the SCF of all the 3 number, you can write like this way also. SCF of 57, 75 and 102 is equal to, like this also write, or you can write in the shortcut also, no problem, there is no problem. So what is the common here? Common factor is only 3, so we have to write here 3, right student? So next problem is 56 and 57. This question is very easy, but what you are doing? You are doing just taking out the factorize. No need to take out anything, because you know that 56 and 57 is the just consecutive numbers. So here what you have to write? Since only you can write, since 56 and 57 are consecutive natural number, so it means that SCF क्या लिख लेगा? ओनली 1 है ना. 56 के बाद 57, so what is the common factor? only 1 will come only, okay. And here last problem I am taking 10th one. So again 777, 3 115, 588, right? So you see which table means 777. Let us divide by 3. 3 2s are 6, okay. 1 3 5s are 15. Then how much? 27. 3 9s are 27. Of course 3 multiplied by 259. Okay, again it will go on 3 table, no 7 we will, let us see that 7. So 259, 7 3s are 21 and 49, 7 7s are 49 and 7 37. So now 37 is a perfect square, right student? So we will write 37 1. We know that in perfect square means what happen? Perfect prime number, not a perfect square, perfect prime number. So it is divisible by that number only. So 315, 3 1s are 3 zeros are and 3 5s are, okay. Again we can divide 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, okay. Then 5 7s are 35, 7 1s are over. So again 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 2 4s are 8, okay. Then again 2 147s are 2, no, it will go on the table of 3, yes, right, not a 2, 3 49s are, right. Then 7 7s are, then 7 1s are over. Now write all the factors of the given number. 777 का फैक्टर क्या है, 3 इंटू 7 इंटू 37. एंड वॉट अबाउट 315 का 3 इंटू 3 इंटू 5 इंटू 7. एंड वॉट अबाउट 588 का फैक्टर्स क्या है, 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 3 इंटू 7 इंटू 7. This side you have to write the factors. Now you can find the SCF. What is common here? SCF 3 is common here, so write 3. Then which is common? 7 7 7 is common. So what is the answer? SCF is our 21. Understood, student? Now practice set 12 is over. Like this my method, you have to solve the practice set method by vertical arrangement method only. Horizontal if you are going, it will take time, so better to use this method only, vertical arrangement method, right student? In the next lecture I am going to explain how to find the SCF by division method, ठीक है, by division method. Thank you.